Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, and if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. For my returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. I just got back from vacation and am filming a couple of videos to get caught up. I went down to Florida with my husband and we did a couple of the Disney parks and a Universal park, and it was so much fun and exhausting. And my husband and I just took a nap because it's Sunday and we're recuperating. So if I look like I just took a nap, that's because I did. But I'm excited to film a couple of videos and get these posted, because I am behind a couple of days. So today I am doing a YOUtopia unboxing. So if you're not familiar with what YOUtopia is, I've done a few of these videos. I'll put a card to probably my first one above because I do the best job explaining it there. And I think last time I misspoke on the price, and it is $49.99 a box, not $60, I think I said before. So sorry to people at YOUtopia for misspeaking on that, but there is shipping on top of it, so I think you end up paying, maybe it was like $57, $56 for it. So if you don't know what it is, it's kind of a themed outfit in a box. It's not, sometimes it is like a top and a bottom and accessory, but sometimes it is other themes as we have different holidays coming around. But the fun with the YOUtopia is there is customization. About mid-month, you get a notification that your outfits are ready to be customized. You go to their website and they have different tops that you can choose from to give your first choice, your second choice. They have different bottoms. You can give your first choice, check second choice, probably third choice, and sometimes accessory sets that you can choose. So that's the fun part, and they're usually all pieces that kind of can be mixed and matched together, so it's pretty easy to put an outfit together. Now this one is winter themed, so I think it's more of, I think it was like a coat and maybe like some other winter accessory and maybe a bag. I can't really remember at this point. It's always a few weeks from when you put in your request for the customization and when you actually get the box, so I never remember what I put in for, so it makes it a surprise. All right, let's go ahead and get into it, and I regret not having grabbed a pair of, the bag pairs you usually expected. Okay, usually it's a cute little box that it comes in, but today, since it's a coat, it's a big old bag. So let's pull this out and see what we have here. Okay, first of all, we have a card here. She says, it's Jennifer with a heart on it, and says thanks. And then they have her notes that she sends with every single one. Kind of always tells you about the theme of the box and how YOUtopia works. So I'll just read the part about the theme of the box. November's theme is stay warm with winter around the corner. We want you to be prepared with a stylish ensemble so you stand out this season. The outfit pieces to choose from are made up of chic coats, cozy earmuffs, and a cute purse to help you keep warm this winter. And don't forget the extra valuable gift that is included every month. So, and then they tell all about the box. Again, I read that all in other videos, so check that out. So let's do the coat last because that's really exciting. So let's see what we have in here. We got this little pouch here, and we have some fingerless gloves. So let's get, and they have sequins in it. I think I have this on backwards. Let's try this again. On the other hand, okay, so we got some cool fingerless sequined gloves. And then we have a, this is a nice purse. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, this is actually a Balzano purse. Okay, well that's awesome. I mean, there's tons of Balzano videos on. I'll actually put a card up for Kelly Schaffner's Balzano video because she does a great job explaining their service and so on. So, but this is a Balzano purse, and it is a crossbody purse and has the BO on it. I think their bags are actually authentic leather, so this is a great deal. I don't really know how to open this. I think there's a key somewhere. I don't know. We'll look for that later. But really excited about this. And then finally the coat. Oh, this is what it looks like in the bag. Looks like sheep. I feel like my first choice was like an anorex type of coat, but that was actually before I got one off of the board buy. So I'm actually really happy that I didn't end up getting that because I already have one. But this is just a really, really soft, cozy, zip up, hooded coat there. And I think that is just going to be such a great bundle up. You know what I'm going to wear this is my husband and I, we recently built a fire pit, and I think this is going to be an amazing fire pit jacket for me because I'm always looking for something to bundle up in, and I never quite know what to wear out there. So I think this is actually going to be perfect for that. So very, very excited about that. Okay, so like I said, we got the coat and the gloves and the purse and all that for 50 bucks, and I think that's a great deal. Okay, guys, I missed that there was an extra gift in here, so my bad. There's another pouch that was in the bag, and oh, okay, so it is a headscarf. So we'll try this on with everything, and I think this is super cute. Okay, guys, I've got all my pieces on. I wouldn't say I'd wear these all together, but you can see them on. The head wrap I think is super cute, and I will definitely be wearing this. The gloves here, you guys already saw these on. These are fun and sequiny. And then the bag, to me the bag is my favorite piece of this. This just seems like really nice quality bag. So I'm excited about my valYOUble bag, and it's a beautiful crossbody purse. So I'm excited about that. And then the coat, I am swimming in it a little bit, but that's perfect, guys. Like I said, this is going to be my campfire coat, and I am going to be bundled and warm and cute, and I'm excited about that. And I'm going to stick the hood up when I need to. And look at, if this doesn't say happiness right here, I don't know what does. So, all right, let's do a quick recap. Alright guys, just a super quick recap here and then we will wrap it up. Alright, for $50 plus a little bit in shipping, I got this coat. It's a little bit big, but that's perfect because it's going to be my campfire coat. Very excited about that. Then I got this head wrap, which is very cute and will go with a lot of my jackets. So I am sure this is going to get a lot of use this winter. You have this sweet valYOUble bag that I just keep raving about, and I'm really excited about this. So that's exciting. And then I think my extra item were these fun sequined fingerless gloves. So those will be great to use. I thought this box was a great one. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm planning on pausing this subscription for a little while. Not anything wrong with the subscription. In fact, I'm feeling sad because, you know, normally I'd be able to pick my customizations in a week or so, and it's Christmas. Now I'm rethinking because I should have waited till after Christmas. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna reinstate. I already shut off my payment, but I think I'm going to reinstate it and do one more being a Christmas box, because I bet a Christmas box is going to be super awesome. So anyway, so I guess there'll be one more because I literally just decided I needed to do a Christmas one since they do these fun themed boxes, and I can't wait to see what she has for Christmas. So there will be one more of these. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.